Hey, I'm Marty from Springhead Media Solutions. Today I'm going to be talking about the 4 reasons why you should not be sending an email that is one giant image. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I come out with all kinds of email marketing videos all of the time. And when you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and a little thank you in the comments so that other people can find it as well. The first reason is, what if those images don't load? A lot of people have their images turned off on their email marketing platforms, or if they're on their phone and they're somewhere with bad signal, you're sending them a blank email. You meant to send this, and you ended up with this. The second reason also has to do with phones. At least 40% of your emails will be viewed in mobile view. And when you take an image with text on it and squish it down to the size of a phone, the text on there gets super teeny tiny. Versus if you have that text as text, it will adapt and stay the font size that you've selected. Number 3 is clickable links. If you are not an expert in HTML coding, then your only option is going to be to make that one image have one link. So there's only one place you can send them to. Not only can this limit how your contacts can use your email, but you're missing out on an opportunity to track where they're clicking. And last is searchability. If someone goes into their inbox a week later and wants to find the email that you sent, they will only be able to search for words that are written as text in your email. If the text is part of a picture, it's not searchable. Those are the reasons why you shouldn't be sending an email that's just one big image. If you do decide to do that, please take these steps to make sure that it'll work the best that it can. The first one is to compress your image to make sure that the file size is as small as possible. You can use TinyPNG for that. I will link that below. The next one, make sure that the text on your image is nice and big. So again, you can view it in mobile, and put in alt text. Alt text is the writing that shows up if your image doesn't load, and it is searchable. Well, there we go. If you would like some advice on how to adapt an image that you've already created as an email into a more functional email, I will leave those here. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Sign up for my email list, and I will be in touch.